Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. You're going to need a long piece of string, a needle, scissors, a lighter, and some pony beads. And we're going to start with this pattern here. So here's my long piece of string. I started with 2 pink on each sides of the string and then orange and so on. So I'll leave this right here so you can pause the video and get to this point. Okay, once you've got this on here, you're going to tie it off and you're going to put your needle on one side and you're going to take your needle and you're going to go through this pink bead, and we're going to add a pink bead and we're going to go through the orange. We're going to add an orange and we're going to go through the yellow. We're going to add a yellow and go through the green. Oops. We're going to add a yellow and we're going to go through the yellow. We're going to add an orange and go through the orange. We're going to add a pink and go through the pink. And now we need to go through the pink and this orange. And then we need to go through this yellow. And then we're going to go down these two orange. And then we're going to go through this pink. We're going to add a pink and we're going to go through the orange. We're going to add an orange and go through the yellow. We're going to add a yellow and go through the yellow. We're going to add an orange and go through the orange. We're going to add a pink and go through the pink. And we're going to flip this over. We're going to get a pink and we're going to go through this pink. We're going to get another pink and we're going to go through the orange. We're going to add an orange and go through the yellow. We're going to add an orange and go through the orange. We're going to add a pink and go through this pink. We're going to add another pink. This time we need to go down this pink and this orange right here. And then we're going to go through these two pink and then down this pink. We're going to get a pink and we're going to go through this pink. We're going to get another pink and we're going to go through this orange. We're going to get an orange and go through this orange. Adding a pink. We're going to add another pink. This time we're going to go down this pink and down this orange. Up this pink and down this pink. We're going to add a pink. We're just going to add pink for the rest of this row. Okay, now we need to go down this pink, down this orange, up this pink, and down this pink. And then this is going to be our last row and it's going to be all pink. And I'm going to take this string and I'm going to go all the way through all these pink, and then we're going to tie this this side off. Okay, so this is the top of the rainbow. Now we need to put our needle on the other side of the string. And we're going to go through this pink. And we're going to add an orange. We're going to add a green. We're going to add a blue. We're going to add another blue. We're going to add a green. We're going to add an orange. Now we're going to add pink. We're going to add yellow. We're going to add blue. We're going to add purple. We're going to add blue. We're going to add yellow. We're going to add pink. And this one we're going to go down this pink, down this orange, and then we're going to go up this orange and this pink. And then we're going to go down this pink. You're going to add an orange. You're going to add a green. You're going to add a purple. Another purple. A green. An orange. You're going to add a pink. You're going to add a yellow. You're going to add a blue. And this time we're going to go through these two purple. We're going to add a blue, a yellow, and this pink. We're going to go down this pink and down this orange. We're going to go up this orange and up this pink. We're going to go down this pink. We're going to add an orange, a green, and a purple. And we're going to go down this purple and down this blue. And we're going to go up this blue and up this purple and down the purple. And we're going to add a blue, a yellow, and a pink. And we are done with this side, so we need to take our string and go back over here. So we added the pink, and we just need to take our string and weave it through across. Okay. Now we are going to add a green, an orange, a pink, a yellow, and a blue. And we're going to go down this green, up this green, up this blue, and up this purple. And then we're going to add this purple. Whoops, we need to go down this blue. And then we're going to go up these two right here. And then we're going to tie this off, which could be a little tricky if you have a little bit of string left. Okay, there's our rainbow. Now, to put this on a choker, I already measured out the string that I need, or the length that I want. So I'm going to take one end and I'm going to go through here. And I'm going to add a clear. And then I'm going to go through this pink bead in the middle. And I'm going to add another clear and go through this pink. And then make these sides even. Put the ends together. And just pull it. Pull the string until it feels even. And for my pattern, I'm going to put 5 clear on each side. And then I'm going to do the rainbow on both sides. So that's what it looks like. And I'm going to keep doing this pattern. So I'll put 5 clear and then the rainbow until I get to the end here, and then I'll be back to tie it off. Okay guys, I'm back. I ended up doing 3 rainbows on each side, and then I ended with the clear. So I'm going to cut the rest of that off. And show you what it looks like. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.